Can AI predict the price movements of meme coins right now? I'm going to go through in today's video and use one of the best AI tools to see if it can predict which could be the best meme coins for this 2025 cryptocurrency meme coin bull run. If you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe because it clearly supports the channel. For today's video, I will be using Grok AI. I'm actually paying for X. Grok is actually part of a premium for the X subscription and has actually gotten a lot better. They've actually recently upgraded to Grok 2, which is really running really good. So what I'm going to do is actually ask it some questions about meme coins and some potential price predictions, and let's see what Grok is actually going to say. What does it expect? How does it predict this cryptocurrency bull run to actually run for meme coins? So let's ask it a simple question like, what is your price prediction for crypto meme coins in 2025? Let's actually have a look. It involves a high degree of speculation. So it's actually talking about insights based on available data. Here we have Dogecoin. Analysis and posts on X suggests significant growth, with some predicting Dogecoin could reach a market cap of 150 billion, which would imply a substantial increase from its current valuation. Wow, so Grok is actually expecting a 3x increase. It just said 150 billion, and right now we're sitting at a $50 billion market cap. So let's actually have a look. That's 34 cents, so basically a 3x. So Grok is expecting Dogecoin to hit over $1 in this bull run, which is quite a decent run even from this point here. And Doge has already run from the all-time lows. Let's actually have a look. Say in the last year, how much are we up? Just in the last year, we're up over 300%. And Grok is expecting another 300% push to the upside. Next is Pepe. Various sources predict a notable rise for Pepe, with a market prediction ranging from 35 to 100 billion, even up to 1 trillion by the end of 2025. Wow, that's quite a large gap. So it's expecting somewhere between 35 billion, 100 billion, even up to 1 trillion. Wow, that's an interesting prediction here by Grok. Let's go and actually have a look at Pepe and its current market cap. Current market cap sitting at 7 billion. So the absolute low expected 35 billion is what Grok actually said. That's roughly about a 5x from here. So even on the low end, that's actually expecting a decent push, but it's saying about 1 trillion. So I don't know about this price prediction overall for Grok. Next, dog with hat. So Grok really going for some of the biggest projects here. Predictions with potentially reaching double digits with specific targets at $49. Let's have a look at the price of WIF. So let's actually calculate that. It predicting that $49 is where the resistance is. So the current market cap is 1.68 billion divided into 49 billion. Grok is telling us there could be a 30x in WIF. Wow, that's an absolute huge push, because you can already look the all-time high. Look at how much WIF is already up, over $200,000. It's projecting to actually push another 29x on top of that. Wow, I can't believe how many X's dog with hat will be up if it actually reaches anywhere close to that number. Next is PopCap. Projections for PopCap vary. Market cap of 25 to 40 billion. That's actually much better. Something like 25 to 40 billion. Okay, I can work with that. Considerable increase in its value. So 25 billion, that's basically a 50x from current price. So wow, 50x expected for PopCap. And this is more of the type of chart that I would say expect a type of 50x to come out of, because you can make a big push to the upside. Clearly, we're in a little bit of a depression. And then you look to absolute buy on these lows, and you look for that continuation to the upside. So overall, these types of charts are the ones that could make those huge X's, because rather than buying at the top at this $2 mark, you're able to buy in now close to this 59-cent mark. So I actually like this particular pick from Grok. Next, we have Bonk. Expectations for Bonk are high, with predictions for its market cap between 12 billion to 25 billion. So Bonk about 12 billion on the low end. This seems like a reasonable prediction. Bonk is actually used quite consistently for trading. Currently at a 2 billion market cap, that puts it around a 6x on the low end. Overall, Bonk has had some decent strength and is definitely very significant in this meme coin market. And it's not giving us a crazy prediction like 29 or 30x, something like a 6x by the end of this bull run is actually a really good pick by Grok. I'm very, very surprised based on its information it can use from the web. It's actually picking up on some very, very good insights for crypto meme coins. Here we go, and now Grok getting into the webs of meme coins here. Giga is seen as one of the biggest surprises with market cap predictions from 10 to 20 billion. We can see Giga right here at this 700 million market cap. That's a definite decent push to the upside potential for Giga, and actually wow, it's up very, very strong overall in 2024, basically at its complete all-time highs. We can even come to the bottom and see which markets are available. Go by the 24-hour volume and see Coinbase, Radium, Gate.io, LBank, Kraken, Mexi. So really, really good to see where the overall volume is coming in for. Then some other meme coin predictions that Grok is actually telling us. Look, MOG, SPX, which is a really good pick. Retardio, which is a good pick. Bullish outlook with market caps in the billions, suggesting these could be amongst the winners of the 2025 cycle. From web-based analysis, Memecoin has a variety of predictions. So, okay, that's a particular coin. And then Meme Bet Token. Okay, that's potentially not one that we're interested in. These predictions should be taken with caution as meme coins are highly speculative investments influenced by social media trends, community support, and broader market movements like Bitcoin's performance. They are not based on traditional finance metrics, but rather on market sentiment, viral potential, and sometimes sheer luck. Always do your own research and consider the risks in crypto. So very, very interesting from Grok. I really like its overall analysis. Maybe the first few picks are basically just picking the top meme coins from the overall market cap, but I like picks like Giga and Bonk giving some decent market cap, even PopCap actually giving a decent prediction for that. Even talking about SPX and MOG, some other meme coins, and as well, now we can use AI to our full advantage to actually see if it can make some crypto meme coin price predictions for us. And now we're able to deep dive into the projects and analyze, just based on market cap, what type of numbers is expected for this 2025 super cycle in meme coins. Don't forget that I just released my copy trading masterclass. It's currently 70% off over this holiday sale. I teach you how to go from a beginner to an absolute master in copy trading, and you can watch it all directly in my website. Don't forget, if you're trading meme coins, to use the link in the video description for TradeWiz bot. Get a massive 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees. They're the fastest Telegram trading bot for meme coins, and you get free access to their smart wallet and copy trading feature, which I'll leave a link for at the end of this video. So if you have enjoyed today's video on AI giving me predictions for this crypto meme coin bull cycle in 2025, make sure to smash the like and subscribe as it supports the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.